Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking for the Missus. Today's video we're going to be making some homemade scampi. I'm using some fresh Scottish langoustines for this recipe. You can get these from your supermarket or from a nice fishmonger. Don't be intimidated when you look at one of these, they are really easy to prepare. So a langoustine is split up into two sections. You've got the head and you've got the tail. For the scampi, all we're going to use is just the tail. With a nice firm grip, hold the head in one hand, the tail in the other, just pivot left to right until it's loose and then just pull straight out. If you're lucky like I am, the intestinal tract will come out with the head, which will leave the tail nice and clean, ready to make scampi. So your tail is split up into 6 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus the tail at the end. So with 3 sections in each hand, just do the same again, pivot left to right, put your thumb right down at the bottom of the tail, apply pressure and pull, that will release the shell from the tail. The remaining shell that's left over, if you just squeeze it together, you'll hear it crack. This makes it easy to peel to release the tail from the rest of the shell. Now if you weren't lucky enough like I was to have the intestinal tract come out with the head, I'm going to show you what to do in that scenario. Oh, this one's only got one claw, bless it. So as you can see, the intestinal tract hasn't come out with the head, which means it's still inside the tail. So same as before, just pivot and break it. And this is why you apply pressure at the bottom of the tail, because you'll see the intestinal tract will come out so long as you've got a firm grip. As always guys, if you do enjoy this content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to become part of the family. So now that your scampi tails are ready to go, what we need to do is bread them and get them ready for frying. I'm just using some plain flour, 2 whisked up eggs, and then I've got some store-bought breadcrumbs which has just got some dried parsley and some salt mixed through it. What you want to do now is just set up a little production line. So first thing we do is dip your tail into the flour, just give it a little shake to remove any excess. Place it into the egg mixture, and from there into the breadcrumbs. Just give them a right good toss up to make sure that they are evenly coated. Once you've done that with all your tails, you're ready for frying. So in my pan I've got about 1 centimetre of oil. It's a mixture of vegetable oil and olive oil. The vegetable oil can handle the heat and the olive oil is just there for a little added flavour. So put all your tails into the pan. They're only going to take about probably 2 to 3 minutes to fry. You just want to keep frying them until they're nice and golden brown. Remember, colour is flavour. So after they've had about 3 minutes, just toss them over, repeat with all the rest, and there you have homemade scampi. These are absolutely delicious. They're not the cheapest, but once you've tried these, nothing else will compare. And that's today's recipe guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you do enjoy this video, then please don't forget to share it with your friends, like the video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to become part of the family. And until next time guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.